Hey guys, it's Baker, the creator of the Village Buyer Yard Haunt on Cape Cod and the co-host of Shock Tales. Some of you guys might remember me from my old days of the Hauntcast podcast show. I've had numerous requests over the years, well, maybe two, for a lighting tutorial for my yard haunt. My lighting used to suck. I would spend months, if not even years, building some really cool props, only to have all the details completely washed out with either blue or green floodlights, or to have them hidden in darkness due to low light. So let me enlighten you with some lighting tips to add some life to your yard haunt or display. This diagram gives you a basic overview of the lighting layout. I use yellow LED floods to illuminate the left side of the yard, some smaller yellow bulbs along the far right side of the yard, and white LED spots to illuminate the cemetery and individual props. I use two yellow LED floods on both front corners of the swamp section of the yard. I space out all the props so that they can all be illuminated without shadows being cast from the front props onto the rear. So when I'm setting up the yard, I put the props roughly where I want them to be. And then after I have the lighting set up, I will go back and rearrange the props to make sure that they're all being lit without shadows. In the cemetery section, I use homemade LED spots using either the 5mm or 10mm white pre-wired bulbs from lighthouseleds.com. And I used the 5mm yellow flicker bulbs in the PVC candles, also from Lighthouse LEDs. In the right corner of the yard, I use a 60-watt yellow bug bulb to illuminate the cauldron creature and the frog minions. I have another for the cornstalker, and then one more for Dr. Wolfram. I built some small boxes out of PVC board to help conceal those and to direct the light. I used the Precision Z spot from Gantom on the spider. 3 5mm mini spotlights are used on the gravel ghouls. They are screwed into a small piece of PVC board mounted into the ground. A power LED spotlight from minispotlight.com is used for the other spider. For the dragonfly, I use small shop lamps with UV LED bulbs. And for the coup de grace, I made about a dozen swamp lanterns that are placed next to each one of the signature creatures to really make them stand out. They're made with bell mason jars, flicker bulbs, bamboo tiki torches, rope, and electrical cord, and they're covered, the tiki torch bamboo part is covered with Smooth-On's Habitat black putty. Hopefully that shines some light on how to illuminate your haunt. So throw out those blue, green, and red spotlights and level up your game, or I'll come to your house and kick you in the pumpkins. Please like, subscribe, and pimp slap the bell for more haunt and horror content dead ahead.